Good morning. It's another beautiful day, and let's go out explore cherry blossoms. Ang approach na maganda dito sa cherry blossom na to is to do a more multi-day exploration of it. Maraming mga park dito na maraming cherry blossom trees. Some of them even have 1,000 or 2,000 of them. And so, hindi naman sila lahat sabay-sabay mag-bloom and everything. So, ang approach natin is to go to several parks and then doon natin makikita or we can get the best of those parks kung ano nang meron, kung naka-bloom na ba sila, mga ganun ba. But for now, pupunta tayo sa Nijo Market. Walking distance lang naman siya para tayo ay sushi breakfast. Sorry, bigla akong umaga. Ito na naman ako. Bigla ko lang na-realize, ngayong nandito ako sa street na to, na 2 blocks or 3 blocks away, nalakas yung maka-Edmonton. Tapos ngayon, nalakas yung maka-Japan. And that's just a mere 1 or 2 blocks away from each other. Nakakatawa lang. Sorry, ako lang ang natatawa. Pagbigyan niyo na ako. So, ayan o. Ang lakas sa kanyang maka-Japan feels dito. Pero doon sa kabila talaga, downtown Edmonton ang peg. And I'm saying that's not a bad thing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just saying that it is what it is, right? Anyway, maglakad na nga muna ako. Guys, napahinto lang ako kasi merong napakagandang stream dito sa may likuran ko. Ayan siya. Ayan. Just like that. Akalain mo yan. Nasa Nijo Market na pala tayo. Ayan siya sa harap ko. Siya na yun. Guys, totoo ba to? Wow. Kainin ko kaya sa hotel yung isa. Maluloko siguro sila. Dala ka ng crab. Alright? Okay. And today, ito ang ating kakainin. And this one. Okay guys, nakalista na tayo dito sa Donbe and we ordered already. So, pabalik tayo in 10 to 15 minutes. I-check muna natin kung anong oras yun. Pero for now, ikot muna tayo. Wala silang oyster na nakita ko. Sige, tingnan muna natin dito. Siguro kain tayo ng oyster pagkatapos. So excited. Nagutom ako. My goodness. Medyo nagutom tayo. So pagkatapos ng kakain tayo ng oyster. I'm so happy. Sorry. Pero maghanap tayo ng iba. Kasi parang yun doon, yung malalaki na niya, 400 isa. Tingnan natin dito. Baka naman mas mura dito. Ano ba to? Tingnan natin sila yung selection nila. So, itong lugar na to, tandaan nyo to, nandito siya sa bandang gitna. Dito sa harap nito. Yan. Merong isang stall dito. Ito siya. Na sobrang mura yung kanilang mga set, mga 1,200. Yung gindara nila, parang 1,700. Pinakamahal na nila yung 1,700. So, mukhang okay siya. Tsaka maraming locals na nakapil. Parang dito tayo magla-lunch. Sana hindi magbago yung presyo na yan. May gulay. Nakakatuwa. Kasi gusto ko rin yung fish at saka yung set na fish. Parang okay din yun. Okay, bye. Guys, nandito na siya. Nandito na siya. So, nakaset to. Set na siya, pero gusto ko lang makita niyo how beautiful it is. Nandito tayo ngayon sa path patungo sa Hokkaido Jingu. And as you can see, it's lined up already with cherry blossoms on one side. And siguro as the day goes by, dadami pa yan. Yung iba, pag hinahangin na, nahuhulog na siya. So, marami na ring naka-bloom, guys, dito sa Nakajima Park. Ayan, nakita niyo yung magkabilang side, halos meron na rin sila. So, ikutin lang natin siya and i-enjoy lang natin siya habang naglalakad tayo dito sa Nakajima Park na sobrang tranquil. Ang dami lang tao, syempre. Cherry blossoms. So, let's walk around and see kung may makita pa tayong mas marami pang sakura. And now, nakaupo lang tayo dito sa lilim. Siyempre, when everyone else is seated dun sa mainit. Dahil alam niyo naman, ibang epekto sa atin ng sunlight. Anyway, nandito lang ako. Nakaupo muna, nagpapahinga. And admiring how people are enjoying the sakura trees and the blossoms. Relax lang siguro tayo and then maybe we could probably grab coffee or dessert maybe later. Pero for now, i-enjoy muna natin ng sakura dito sa park. while watching all of the people enjoy itong mga bulaklak at nagpapapicture sila, they gather around, it made me kind of realize na perhaps the essence of all of this week-long Sakura bloom is for people to actually appreciate the gift of Mother Nature in the form of these wonderful flowers that only show up a week in a year and then disappear. You know, it's something very unique. It's something very magical if you think about it. And sana we'll learn to apply that sa atin sa Pilipinas and to our lives na, you know, maybe our lives, we can ihalin tulad natin siya sa Sakura na although ito alam nating 1 week kaya nila ina-appreciate and that they gather for that week kung kailan siya nagpipeak to celebrate it every year. Siguro tayo, we should learn to do that with our lives also. That we should learn to love ourselves more, to appreciate it and to celebrate it. And, you know, I know we are not programmed to do that, pero siguro naman, little by little, we can try to do that in our own very little way. And that for me, siguro ang na-realize ko with this Sakura Festival or Sakura, dito sa Sakura Bloom Night. So as you can see, sobrang ganda ng ating Sakura Day. And siguro dito na muna natin i-cut yung ating Sakura Day. Sabihin na lang natin part 1 to. Tingnan natin kung magkaka-part 2 pa, kung meron pa tayong pupuntahang iba. But for now, this is our Sakura Day. It's so beautiful. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate that and leave your comments kung meron kayong nagandahan kayo or if you have comments and things that can be improved. Pero maraming salamat for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed it. Be good humans. Bye!